Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain why one of the equation of motion can be applied to avoid accidents, or you can also call it as road safety with the help of a numerical. First, let me read the numerical. A car moving with a speed of 50 kmph can be stopped by brakes after at least 6 meters. The same car is moving at a speed of 100 km per hour, it means the speed is doubled. So the minimum stopping distance is, to get the answer of this particular question, we have to use equation of motion v square minus u square equal to 2as. Why only this, you can ask me. So initial velocity is 50, stopping distance is 6 meters, stopped means final velocity is 0. Same car, speed is doubled, so again initial velocity doubled. So they are asking us to find out stopping distance. Again, stopped means v0. So if you apply this equation, because we have other equations also, v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, even sn equal to u plus a of n minus half, but this equation will be suited in a proper way, in a best manner, to get the answer of this particular question. Okay, so let us divide the question into two parts. First part, v1 square, stopping distance. Stopping velocity will be 0 once vehicle is stopped. Initial velocity u1 square 2a(s1). Remember, vehicle is moving with uniform acceleration. v2 square, second case, minus u2 square is equal to 2a(s2). In the first case, stopped means final velocity 0, u1 square is equal to 2a(s1). In the second case, stopped means u2 square is equal to 2a(s2). Okay, so you call this equation 1, you call this equation 2. Let us divide equation 1 into. So minus u1 square by minus u2 square is equal to 2a(s1) by 2a(s2). So 2a cancelled, minus minus cancelled. Look at the question. How much is u1? It is 50. Since in the formula we have square, u2 square this is. Okay, so how much is u2? It is 100 whole square is equal to s1 by s2. So how much is s1 given? S1 is 6 given, s2 we are looking for. Okay, let us proceed. 50 square means 2500, 100 square means 10,000 is equal to 6 by s2. So this is 4 times. s2 is equal to 24 meters. So but in general we think that if you double the speed, it is enough to maintain double the safe distance, but it is not correct. I'll explain. Sometimes when we ride our two-wheeler or when we drive our four-wheeler, we find that the lower bottom of the heavy vehicle at its bottom, so there will be a safeguard. On the safeguard, they write maintain a distance of safe distance of 50 meters. Why that is so important, I'll tell you. And in that the secret is involved is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So when we move on the roads, maybe in a two-wheeler or maybe in four-wheeler, we find that vehicles in front with going with minimum speed, or maybe sometimes it is parked sideways. We see in the newspapers that there is an accident occurs at the back. There is an accident at the back. So why that particular accident taken place means, without maintaining the safe distance with the vehicle in front, we cannot predict that what is going to happen for that vehicle. Maybe it is suddenly slowed down or maybe suddenly stopped. So the vehicle which is at the back of the first vehicle must maintain safe distance, because you increase the speed, safe distance must be increased. And most of the times you see in the newspapers, you watch the television channels, so there is an accident occurs in the highway, on the highways. So the main reason is we are concentrating only on the speed. We are forgetting about the safe distance with the vehicle which is in front of us. And most of the times we see that wearing helmet and wearing seat belt is compulsory. Wearing helmet, wearing seat belt is compulsory. It is important, but it is also equally important to maintain the safe distance with the vehicle which is in front of us to avoid the accident. So not to get our economy damaged, not to get our health to get lost. So I hope after you watch this video, you will maintain the safe distance with the vehicle which is in front of us, because road condition will remain same. So it has become a fashion that to blame the condition of the road and the maintenance of the vehicle. So it is most important also to maintain safe distance with the vehicle in front of us. So that is why the lower bottom of the heavy vehicle which is in front of us, they mention maintain a safe distance of 50 feet. This is when, if we maintain the safe speed not more than 50. So they'll mention on the speedometer also there will be a strip. So once if the pointer crosses the green strip, so therefore you are going with more speed. So it is equally important that going slow as well as to maintain safe distance. I'll prepare the same video in Telugu because I am belongs to Telugu states to reach this message to more people. Thank you very much for watching my video. But don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives. Thank you.